So I'm doing another AI versus James challenge today.
Threat. Take that, you tin can.
I'm going to send 42 cold emails to real Lincoln dentists today. 21 of them get email by AI. 21 get ones that I write myself. So it's the same offer, same tool, same prospect list, different authors. One's me, one is AI. And I want to know, does AI get better results than a human who's been doing this for years, or is it all hype? What's the verdict? Let me know in the comments. Before you watch the ending, let me know in the comments, who do you think is going to win, James or the AI? Right now, there's a lot of cold email tools out there that are selling AI, and they all say, 10x your reply rate and personalized at scale, and AI writes better than you do. Maybe, maybe not. That's what we're going to look at today. You guys know I run a web design agency on the side, so I've been sending cold emails for it. Just build websites for people. I actually build them their website first because AI makes it really easy. Then I email them, say, hey, here's your built website. And I kind of know in general what works when you're talking to potential prospects. So again, I want to see, is AI actually better? And I kind of know what works when you're prospecting someone like this, and I want to know, is AI better than I am? That's good to know. If AI can do it better than me, I want to use AI. So I'm going to do real prospects, a real offer, replies tracked all week, and then I will pin the comment of the winner after this trial. So first thing, I need real prospects. So I scraped 100 dentists from Lincoln, Nebraska off Google Maps. I used a free Appify scraper. Took about 2 minutes to get that set up. So we have here 42 real businesses, real names, real websites, phone numbers, addresses, the whole works here. So then I actually had to grab their email addresses. Appify didn't get that. It just got the businesses. So I wrote a quick script that went to the websites, got the email address, and put it into the spreadsheet. So I've got a list of 42 dentists here with their email addresses. And I'm pitching them on Get Lincoln Local. This is just, I build you a website, $49 a month. I host it and get you a website. That's the service that I'm offering. So, and I'm splitting it right down the middle. The first 21 are going to be sent by AI, and the second 21 are going to be sent by me, and we're going to see who gets better results. So, and that's where the sponsor of today's video comes in. SalesBlink is the name, but they create sales sequences with AI. They warm up so that you don't land in spam. But they're made to send out cold email. And one of the things that sparked my interest in them is they are currently an AppSumo deal. So you guys know I love AppSumo, but instead of paying monthly like you normally do, you pay $10, $20 a month for services. This is one-time $79 payment, and then you get it for life. So then it's not part of your monthly budget. So I'm always looking for AppSumo deals. I've bought a ton of them. And what I want to use AI for, first I want to use Blink GPT. That's their AI writer built into the campaign builder. So I want to see if it writes better emails that convert better than my emails. Second is the domain warm-up. So I'm going to be sending from just a Gmail account that I bought, lincolnlocalweb@gmail.com. So it's a pretty fresh email address. And if you know anything about email deliverability, these fresh email addresses, they don't land in people's inboxes. So you have to warm them up over time. So we're going to see how that works. So then 3, they have a unified inbox. So I can send from my email. I can send from this new AI address email. It lands in one inbox. I can get all the replies in there. It makes it a little easier. So this plan that I'm getting on AppSumo for one-time $79 is usually $99 a month. So again, that's why I'm always looking. I scour AppSumo almost every day looking for deals for tools that I want to use. All right, so we're going to start our outreach here. We'll do a new sequence, and we'll use their outreach agent. We'll call it dentists, and we are selling web design. Oh, it's called Get Lincoln Local. We are selling web design. We'll do it in English. Oh, and that's all it took, and it created this nice kind of sequence. So now we're going to add a lead source. So who goes into this sequence? So we're going to leads from list, and we're going to create a new list here. New list. We'll say dentists in Lincoln, Nebraska. Add your leads. So we can upload via CSV. And actually, we want to grab just the 21 we're going to send from 21 rows found. Perfect. We'll map company name. It found email. We'll put website here, city here, phone here. And then we'll go next. One nice feature here is you can actually verify emails. Because again, I just scraped these from websites. They could be bad. We'll delete leads with invalid emails. That'll help our deliverability quite a bit. So now we're going to put dentist in Lincoln into this. And actually, it's a good thing we ran this tool because there were actually 9 invalid emails. If you're just scraping emails off of websites, it's actually not very accurate. So that alone is actually a pretty handy tool. I'm not going to do that manually, and it really hurts your deliverability if you're sending 2 bounced emails. It looks like, hey, you're just spamming. So let's go ahead and we will save and schedule these. All right, so now we're going to check out what this came up with. So we're going to start sending now. It's going to put a minute between each email. That's just, so it's not blasting out. I'm actually going to just send from my email. We're not sending too many, so I'm okay with that. I want to track everything. Let's go ahead and review and see what they came up with. So here's an example of what they came up with. Hi, I see Priority Emergency Dental. So they include the company name in there. Delivers critical emergency dental care. Deserves a website that matches your urgency and expertise. And then they're pointing to book a meeting, which that's actually smart. I usually try to get a reply, but maybe booking a meeting will do better. So I'm going to write 21 of these by hand. I'm not going to bore you by showing all of them. But one advantage I have to doing this manually is I can look at the website. Like this is, Baum Family Dentistry. Shout out to Baum Family Dentistry. This website's not very good. There's a lot of room for improvement that they could do here. So I can write an email personalized to them saying, hey, we could fix this. We could fix this. I could even record like a Loom video. It'd take a little longer, but I could record a Loom video saying, hey, here's what I think that we should do. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to write 21 to these 21 dentists here with my own flavor on it. We're going to send all 21 AI, all 21 of mine, and we're going to see who does better. So emails are sent out. My prediction is that AI probably wins and opens. I noticed that the subject lines of their emails had emojis and things like that. That's not something that I would do personally. Also, this automatically puts them in a sequence. So if they don't reply, it'll send them a follow-up. So that's going to be an advantage for AI. But my emails that I sent are kind of customized for each one based on what I saw on the website. So that will be, my guess is that AI will get 3 replies and I will get 1 reply. That's my honest guess. But if you want to run experiments like this or you have a need for cold email, now is a great time. There's a lifetime offer for $79 for SalesBlink. So I'll leave a link to that down below. What I'm going to do is I'm going to update. I'll pin a comment and I'll update each day. We might need to do a bigger sample. So I'm going to start, and if we're not getting replies with, 21 is not that many to send, but I'll bump it up. I'll go send, a couple hundred and we'll get an actual winner. I want good data to see who's better. So if this was helpful, or if you like AI and like seeing what AI can do, please like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. God bless you guys. Stay tuned for results, and we'll talk to you later.